Master the art of organizing your thoughts for effective discussions. Hello learners. Welcome to our English language learning channel where we help you develop essential skills to express yourself better. Today, we're diving deep into an important aspect of discussions: organizing your thoughts and ideas. This is crucial in preparing for any discussion, as it helps you present your points clearly and convincingly. Let's get started. Organizing your thoughts is more than just a preliminary step. It's the foundation of an effective discussion. Without organization, your ideas may seem jumbled and difficult to follow, leading to confusion and miscommunication. A well-structured argument, on the other hand, can enhance understanding and facilitate a more productive dialogue. To start, it's essential to identify your main points. These points should be the crux of your argument or the primary ideas you wish to communicate. Make sure that these are clear, concise, and easy to understand. After identifying your main points, it's time to support them with evidence. Evidence can be facts, statistics, examples, or anecdotes that validate your points. Remember, your argument becomes more persuasive when it is backed up with credible and relevant evidence. Now that you've got your points and evidence, the next step is to create a logical flow. This involves arranging your thoughts in a sequence that makes sense and enhances understanding. Generally, it's beneficial to start with the most important point and gradually work towards the less significant ones. Lastly, remember that the way you deliver your ideas is just as important as the ideas themselves. Practice your delivery to ensure you can present your thoughts clearly and confidently. Practice makes perfect, so take your time to rehearse until you feel comfortable with your presentation. Organizing your thoughts for a discussion may seem challenging at first, but with these strategies, you'll be on your way to having productive and effective discussions. Remember, identify your points, support them with evidence, create a logical flow, and practice your delivery. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find this process becomes second nature. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful in your journey to mastering the English language.